Dream it, fund it, build it. At the Future Builders Foundation, these aren't just words. They are the heartbeat of a movement dedicated to forging talented future leaders in construction, real estate, and the skilled trades. Since its inception, the foundation has a goal of supporting 100 students and is poised to raise and distribute more than $500,000 in scholarships. When promising students abandoned their building dreams due to financial hurdles, I knew something had to change. That sparked the birth of the Future Builders Foundation. Today, the foundation is on track to become a nationwide ecosystem that delivers not just financial scholarships, but also mentorship from industry professionals, contractors, architects, developers, hands-on training and workshops, including summer intensives and community building projects. There are 3 key pathway tracks designed to suit a variety of building career aspirations. The Builder's Track. Construction and skilled trades covers carpentry, electrical, plumbing, masonry, flooring, and general contracting skills. Benefits include certifications, safety training, and workshops on how to use the equipment, helping students become job ready. Next, we have the Real Estate and Development track focuses on education in real estate, property management, and development. Provides licensing course funding along with mentorship with brokers and continuing education credits. And finally, the Entrepreneurship and Business Startup track. This track helps students launch their own construction or real estate ventures. The track includes support for LLC formation, marketing, financial literacy, and coaching. At this point, your question should be, how can you be a part of this movement in a meaningful way? You can donate one time, monthly, or with legacy gifts. Over 92% of donations reach the scholarship recipients directly. You can volunteer, mentor students, lead workshops, or support community projects. Or you can partner with us and offer company-sponsored scholarships, host internships, or collaborate on programming and events. At the Future Builders Foundation, we're not just funding careers, we're building futures brick by brick, dream by dream. Join us because every aspiring student deserves a chance to build, grow, and give back. So let's dream it, fund it, and then build it.